It's a beautiful day here at Compass Point. It is June 13th, Monday. This is our new model, the Pamlico Sound Alt. We are here in Hammocks Cove, Lot 28. We're wrapping up the finishes. We're anticipating on this home being a model towards the end of July. So we're really looking forward to having our new model. Our Portsmouth Island is no longer a model here, so this will be our new one. So it's a beautiful home. You can see the beautiful chimney cap up at the top. I love all the details on this house. It's beautiful. See the side of the home. They had the crushed shell driveway, which looks really nice. The tabby finish looks fantastic. The Haint blue ceilings. If you don't know about that, you should Google it. Google Haint blue porch ceilings. Find a fascinating story. Love the tabby. Gives it a nice coastal flair. Nice front door. Love the millwork. The trim on this house. This is absolutely gorgeous. It is definitely something special. So as we come in, you have the 2-story foyer. Lots of natural light. All the windows. So the foyer is here. This is the view of the great room as you walk in. So you got the fireplace and the built-ins. And then the kitchen and dining area. There's a view of the front door and the foyer. And here's another view of the great room area. There's the dining area. A coat closet with the linen. This is a guest bedroom on the first floor. More natural light. So this media room does not have the vault because it has a bedroom above, but typically there's a vault in here. There's the slider going out to the screen porch. So you have a 4-season room. This one. Golf course is looking beautiful. I actually built the house next door also. The Frasers. Hey Kathy. So here's the back of this house. This is one of the 2 closets. One. This vanity is huge. Water closet, huge shower. Laundry. This is off the garage. Powder room. Drop zone. Here's the stairs going up. Drop zone area. This is the butler's pantry. And then upstairs. We have 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bathrooms, and a lounge, a balcony. So this is one of the 2 bedrooms here. This is one of the 2 bathrooms. Nice big mirror, big vanity. Toilet. Got the tub, toss around. It also is for guests, so it opens up to the hallway. We do have a closet right off the hallway here. Here's the lounge. Overlooks the foyer. We've added a wet bar up here. Got a balcony. Another bedroom up here. This one's got a ton of natural light, great golf course views. The view of that balcony and the bathroom. Check out the storage. Ton of storage. That concludes our tour. We look forward to showing you this home soon.